Hey guys, this is your boy Ritik Ramaiya again back with another video today about technical versus fundamental analysis. I hope you watched my last videos and you found them interesting, and if you found them interesting, just like and subscribe to the YouTube channel below. And today I'm gonna talk to you about technical versus fundamental analysis. So firstly, we'll talk about technical analysis. So most of you might be wondering, what are those charts and patterns and the fluctuations which go up and down and up and down? You might be wondering, and I know you are, because you're a beginner. So I was wondering as well, and I was literally thinking that what are these sticks? They look like sticks, they look like some patterns. What are they? So these things are called candlesticks. Now candlesticks are price fluctuations of the market. Now you might ask me, what is a price fluctuation? Ask me, what's a price fluctuation? What's a price fluctuation? So basically a price fluctuation is, let's say you buy something at 5 and the thing goes up to 10. So that 5 to 10 period, the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is represented by a particular stick which is called a candlestick. So basically instead of keeping a number 5 or number 10, basically there's a stick which represents the frequency of the price. So to sum up, technical analysis is basically seeing the price patterns, the fluctuation amounts, the actions which determine whether a particular currency is going to buy or sell. Now let's say you see an uptrend in the sense there's a positive correlation in the graph. Now if there's a positive correlation in the graph, you feel that you need to buy. That's called a technical analysis. So basically a technical analysis is trading based on price patterns. So you have some lines, you have some calculations you do, you apply your strategies, you say there's a demand, there's a supply, there's whatnot in the graph, and that's what makes you take a decision whether it's gonna be a buy or it's gonna be a sell. Now we move on to fundamental analysis. Now fundamental analysis, the word looks very simple, fundamental, but this analysis is the most riskiest analysis. It is the most dangerous analysis. It is the most profitable analysis. What? Profitable? Yes, you heard it right. It is the most profitable analysis, but only if you apply it the right way. You heard me right. Only if you apply it the right way. Now let's say you make a mistake in the fundamental analysis. Okay, wait, I didn't even say the definition of a fundamental analysis. So let me tell you the definition of a fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis is basically predicting, I repeat, predicting a country's situation. So let's say in Tanzania or in America, our president is going to make some speech. So what that speech has an effect on the particular country's currency is what determines the price to go up or down. Now this technique or this analysis is so tricky that you are never sure of what's going to happen, yet people still trade using fundamental analysis. Now you might ask me how. If you want to know how, you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to know how, because I'll be teaching you soon on how to trade fundamental analysis as well as technical analysis as well. Basically fundamental analysis is predicting a particular decision of the country, of the market, of the, let's say, stock, of anything. You're gonna predict something and then enter into the market. Now if you don't know this, then that might be very risky. I repeat, fundamental analysis is very risky. So you need to stay very careful and very sure, I can say, in order to enter the market. Lastly, I'll tell you the difference between a technical and fundamental analysis in terms of Forex trading. So firstly, technical analysis is based on price patterns and some price fluctuations and something like that. Fundamental analysis is purely based on a country's decision, influential person's mindset on how the country is going to progress. Secondly, technical analysis is purely very simple. Fundamental analysis is very tricky and risky. Thirdly, technical analysis has, let's say, minimal amount of profit. I wouldn't say minimal, but it takes a longer time in order to get your profit. Fundamental analysis can make your profit within 10 or 20 minutes. You can make your whole profit for a week. And now we come to the last analysis, which is the sentimental analysis. Now you might ask me, what's sentimental analysis? Sentimental analysis is basically, you see the amount of traders buying or selling a particular stock or currency. So let's say in a room of 100 people, 90 people are buying and the 10% of the people are selling. So you are the one who goes with the highest votes in the room. So you are gonna buy because the 90% of people are buying. So you go with their sentiment. I hope you guys really like the video, and you guys might have understood what's the difference between fundamental versus technical and sentimental analysis as well. I hope you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel below to keep supporting and watching. This is your boy Ritik Ramaiya, FX, and editor Aqeel Mohammed. See you soon, guys. My next video will be dropping out soon. We should be explaining on how to open an account as well as how to apply a particular strategy, fundamental as well as technical. So no worries, stay tuned, stay safe. I love you all. Bye bye. See you.